Hey, if you've been watching my channel, you know I'm a big fan of the Giant Fastroad E1 Plus Pro electric bike, and I've done a series of reviews on how to use it, and including a road ride, and you'll find that on my channel. In this channel, I'm going to do something a little bit more naughty, and that is to talk you through how to de-restrict your bike. Now, this is illegal on public roads, so remember that, but I'm going to show you how to do it. The way generally how electric bikes work is that they gauge the speed by the rotations of the wheel, and they do that by using two magnets, one on the wheel and one on your frame. So every time the wheel goes around, bosh, it counts that, and and that's how it calculates the speed at which your bike's going. Now, if you think about it, your pedal is actually going around less times than your wheel is going around. Of course, that depends on the gear you're in, but generally, the pedal is rotating. The pedal arm is rotating slightly slower. So what you have to do is move the magnet and the sensor so that it's measuring the revolutions of the pedal arm rather than the wheel. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So follow me outside.
Okay, so now the fun bit. So according to EU regulations, all electric bikes got to be restricted in speed to a max of 14.4 miles an hour or 25 kilometers an hour. You can't go any faster than that on an electric bike. That's the law. If you're on a public road, you've got to adhere to that law, otherwise you're breaking the law. If you do have the opportunity to use this bike off a public road and you want to go faster, you can bypass the cutoff. So what actually happens is the motor cuts off. If you're going that fast, the motor will cut off. It won't let you go faster than 25 kilometers an hour or 14.4 miles an hour. But there is a hack, quite a cheap hack that you can do to circumvent that cutoff that the engine has built in. And I'm going to show you what that is. So the way the bike measures your speed is using a magnet, and the magnet is mounted generally to the wheel, and it's there it is, and to the this arm here. So and it's on a wire here. So as you can see, I've moved it already. What we want to do is take this. We unscrew the piece that's mounted to the back of this arm, and you tape it to the front of this arm instead. As you can see, it's taped to the front with the magnet part here. Now, then the magnet then goes behind the pedal arm. So here, what I've got is a long magnet that I've taped to the back of this arm. So when this pedal moves past the arm, it detects, that's how it detects the speed. So this lines up at this point. So instead of lining up with this magnet when it was mounted here, it's now reacting to the magnet here. And that allows me to circumvent the restriction that's on the motor. It doesn't realize you're going that fast. So that's the hack. Again, as a disclaimer, you cannot have your bike with this setup on a public road. That is illegal, and you will get in trouble. This is only to be used if you're going to be riding it off public roads, private property, or somewhere where those rules don't apply. And also, a word of caution: you can get pretty fast with this bike, especially if you're using the high levels of assist. So wear your protective gear, always wear a helmet, and be conscious of how fast you're going. The bike is built to go to a certain speed, so be conscious about how fast you're going. But this does add an extra bit of fun.
There you go. And I've said it in the recording, and I'm going to say it again: is you've got to keep yourself legal on the roads and wear protective gear. This hack is to be used with care. So having said that, drop me a link below. Drop me a drop me a comment below if you've used this, if it works, if you have any suggestions. It'd be awesome to hear. Hit me with a like if it's worked for you, and subscribe for my other videos. I'm going to drop a link down below in the description to my full review of the Giant Fastroad 1 Plus Pro 2020 edition, which I have really enjoyed riding. So see you in the next one.